Hi, my name is Jason from AutoCraze and I'd like to talk to you about the DRIVETECH 4x4 Rival front bar. These bad boys are powder coated. You can get them painted, but majority of them are powder coated, partly because they are scratch resistant. The finish is amazing. You can wash these bad boys and they'll come up great every time. They have a recess for the LED fog lights, which is also wonderful. You know, they're not obstructing, they're ADR compliant, so that's what the ADR rules state. It also has a little hinge door so you can get your hands inside to the clutch on your winch. The benefits of Rival front bars are the fact that they're light, they're very light. They're only 50 kilos, this front bar itself. One of the very lightest bars that we have fitted here in AutoCraze, making it absolutely wonderful for the vehicle performance. You don't want too much weight on the front because when you're 4x4ing, all that weight you kind of feel and it doesn't make for a good ride. So when you've got something as light, doesn't really affect your steering and suspension, so it makes a wonderful thing for you to just place on your car, not having to worry about your suspension, not having to worry about much things, and once you put it on, it looks fantastic. With this DRIVETECH 4x4 you get the bash plate underneath. This one's just your standard one. You can also get your underbody guard, which goes right up to the bottom to your fuel tank. More plates involved, but with this bad boy, this is what it gets.